Tariki bere omotienyo gatano omwaka w'ekirubere n'emirongo ebere nainye na mange agendrete imense icho ya Kenya ase ababunge yense icho ya Kenya bagendrete gwaka chikura anene mono ase omuswada bokumugania ko mwaka omwaziri bw'oboremi Mithika Linturi Boigo nigo omugiro bonyagichali agendrete ase chinsemo ao nonyanga maega yabarai akogendra korwa akogosereria guchi ase abakoleri emeremo balia ase egetago kyobo chenu bali batarairana ase ensemo elia ekinyagecha nigo yaragire chinsa isano na ibere cyabono mugaso eritirane nkoro kwa Job Maangi notoko batoko bwatana nere line kwene kichibi chechibo igo na mariogi abera goikera asenchera yobekera nunsara momanyo yokwene kingankonyorore amangana wetera asenchera yomunwa wimenyererio Lydia Musinkwira nande ase kagetere tambe beokomamanyana ali abera gwateka gwakete chinza chamambi goikera bono mugaso. Mwanchu mulilia Undizi TV na kwenda gotuwati gwetera asenchira yomtandao o Facebook Undizi TV News Digital asensemo area ya YouTube Undizi TV News gwetera sumtando ito www.undizitv.net asotonyora chinsa emerongebere nainye amase amatuko atano nabere yo ikolende nabakwenda gotuwakera chikura asekemina no keria gichinyomba chiboraligia kuza awards ase ogotoma SMS yao elikire elieta kuza ase namba ya 15601 na wakera Ndizi TV buna TV yao wanchite amaya niyoto kwa jakurwa se county ya Nyamira ase gatiabarai babere bagosaba ekiombe kelikare komulekera anemono Ochaki wako university ime county ya Nyamira kwangoia emeroberio eyo elinde gochakia university eyo bakorawa nomonogeli we county ya Nyamira Enoch Okero nigo babeire bagosaba anene mono nga university eyo bege kwagachwa anseboge tutu bwa masaba aserinde ensemo eyo boigo ebege konyora egetali kyama genderero
Nyumba yo mugabana nohere town center, nyumba yo mo speaker nohera abichikiro kitaisatu, nyumba yo mo deputy governor nohere gabo ebinde ibisa de twese mugirana bogo chaboge tutu nere NNP ebale sub county ibere masaba noti zero na kwa kama ganza serikali nene teyo kafanya oko enda manga sub county zero toto alona hotel university yeruta atoire tukalibere area tukatea maene abaheshimiwa bane karona abatumete bose n'abaheshimiwa aba bagateango ekenepi obole mobole sengera manga boisa ine university ebirasi biro abana bagwanza gosoma tukaeti ase bunge yaito natire university ejarali sengera manga tutwekere yabara ibonse abantu sabera twanyenyole na abatata twanyenyole bonzi n'abasani baito tokubate ikinga kikyokonyora na kiki kialenge lakini ndasera agende Duko ijatanyole university Nyamira.
Bwe ukwana ase enseme yonigo omo MCA bwe wodi area yagesima atuti Nyamino abirega kwene kinga mbachikogenda kubwatirana naba MCA anemono bale anse kitutu masaba buna enchira ayamu kwene kinga abamenyi benseme yongo chikonyora bale amagendro anemono ase abagawatebanga mbale no mogoko ase gochakiriwa municipality eyo nabo igomba chigwetia amachiko nabo ikwesira chinchera chionsi elinde gokinia municipality ya Keroka engana yabage kwegwa esegeto nomonogeli webunge ye county ya Nyamira Enoch Okero
Banyole municipality mheshimiwa mkwanali igesimere ine ligoma nali kibese banyora de million ditalinga wana program tobwata ekibese kiri no mheshimiwa kisesa no mheshimiwa gachuba kune municipality korosore bare koruli tongo eche mata ekerubo Nyameta egenda sogo mochibu moino egenda embaro etambo gesoke Keroka para to kwa kugiret kuna to na kanya municipality ale tonya bimeret ebe kueramu ekibasya municipality Igo asa omwako yo kwechibesa ane kyanyete. Igo duse balenga. Igo bele dusiga. Wena wana batebona. Ekaro tu ale koliye municipality. Aene na tenene tanga bateye bintu tokurwania bitatu biyo. Abate itoriye municipality masaba rugora. Municipality intwanye nyora. Kero mwaka kibese kigo cha chike peace 350 million. Kigo cha chiwodi sato kyo. Yo kibese ikyo wetani kibese ntobwata abafatiri bakoro kuno World Bank. Bago cha baros kirami asiki municipality. Erami elio mweshimiwa ate ya mwaka kanga tego eta erami elinero World Bank ngwajire facility chikilomita ikyonsi.
Montu mulere ondize TV tokosuka bosioni go abanyanyimbo babere bakorwa obosemya gochia asaba Kenya kubwata na barabu abuna enchira eyemo yogokora obosalia eyemaiga y'abanyanyimbo ime county area ya Busia konyora omugwekano bwepunduki iye pistol eyo ekageire kobage otumekwa ase enchira elia okora obosalia ase ensemeyo ase ensemo y'abanyanyimbo abo abatebanga chikwendera kwene kinga babere bagotingia obolendi kolendi gosaba amenyi bensemo eyo koba bagwaka oroboti kinga kichinde kyonsi bakonyora engana erigeretie bose erigetie gochia gosalia obosalia ase ensemo eyo.
Around 9:30, we got a report from members of the public, the community policing group, that there is an abandoned pistol somewhere within Busia town. Our officers rushed to the scene and found a toy pistol. As you see, it is here with me, and we appreciate members of the public for the information. This toy pistol can be used to commit a crime because it just resembles the real pistols. At night or even at daytime can be used to commit a crime.
Togosuka bosioni go eserikali yabirege koralianga nechiko bwatoka chibesa chigosira obwagachi bwamagacho yechi county ime yense ya itwa Kenya asibesa chira chiko bwatokwa ne chibesa chi milioni chimia inye ne chiribu emerongo etano na inye ase enchira ayemo yogosira chi county isano ekyo chigendrete kobwata ne serikali enene ase chibesa chiraba chikobe kwa aso mwaka we budget wo mwaka wechiri bubere nemerongo ebere na isato goika omwaka o 2024 buna enchira yemo yokone kinga amagendrongo ikiranare ase county chi county ekyo chire imense ekyo a Kenya aige karoboigo ase chi title deed bose ebimanyirelyo byamalemo byabekwananwa gochia ase chi county bene ase barachikobwaterana ase obwagachi bwamagacho ayo amanene yechi county.
For the National Treasury, our role is to transfer the conditional grants to the county governments, county revenue, fund accounts upon receipt of written instructions from the accounting officer of the State Department of Public Works. So I want to confirm that we are going to undertake our obligations as National Treasury as soon as the PS, the accounting officer of Public Works, gets back to us. We've been given the progress so far, the updates, and I think on the way forward is that the financing arrangements remain as agreed earlier, with the county government financing 30% and national government financing 70% of the project. That is, and then we have provision of Kenya of 454 million shillings for the current financial year. 23-24, and I think we just submitted supplementary to Parliament, so we expect that as soon as Parliament passes, then I undertake to immediately disburse the amounts that Parliament will approve, and then in this financial year, the coming financial year, 24-25. We have proposed 445 million shillings.
Monchumulilia Ondizi TV asinga na togendete kubwatia nigo omonogeri we bunge enene ya Kenya Moses Masika wetangula aba gagosoma nabo yuguchakia okukwanira bose okumulekera omuswada olia bokuganya ko mwaka isiko omwaziri b'uburimi Mithika Linturi ase amaberera abagawutira ase ebunge enene ase nsemo y'ababunge baba kwa okoboko n'abange kwamerelia omuswada oyo asikolende nigo ababunge abarachi wakera omuswada eyo chikura elinde kwenekinga waziri oyo bw'uburimi Mithika Linturi ngo cyare gutigara abisi bose gwakwa isiko engana turabe tokogendera kubwati ngo turarango naraliaya agenderete ase ebunge elia enene.
Public Prosecutions and the Director of Criminal Investigations, and is facing arrest, charging, prosecution, and institution of criminal proceedings in relation to 6 pending civil, commercial, and family suits. This discloses grounds that there are serious reasons for believing that the Cabinet Secretary has committed a crime under national law, including but not limited to offenses involving uttering false documents and procuring execution of documents by false pretenses, contrary to Section 353 and 355 of the Penal Code, Cap 63. 3, gross misconduct. That 1, Franklin Mithika Linturi, acting in his role as Cabinet Secretary responsible for the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development, by approving procurement and distribution of fake fertilizer by the National Cereals and Produce Board, insofar as being a state officer, 1, has failed to exercise public trust in the best interest of the people of Kenya, and this amounts to gross misconduct contrary to
Goskabosio nigo engana erengete chinyomba chuburalia nigo chinyomba chuburalia nabo igo abaralia ensengi mabandete kuyaligani bene ase ogochengera lituko lyobosibole bwabaliki bamangana maye nabo igo chinyomba chuburalia eyo lirabe lituko lya anke chitariki 3 omwaka gw'ekirubere nemerongo ebere na inyabuna enchera emo oboigo yo kuyaligania ase litukeli nige kyombekelia gekomolekera abaliki bamwana mayana boigo chinyomba chuburalia kya MCK kyabage kwaligania egeikaro anemono ase baba kumolekera obokoreri bw'ichinyomba chuburalia nigesegeto enene yabage kurwegwa anemono ekerense ichwa Kenya egenderetse konyora ogwakwa netoigo unanigo abarali babwenderetse koba ase omustari obosyo ase okumolekera amabe abera koletwa no goncherelia kwelire naboigo kurwa obosemia no segeta gotia ase abakenya ase chinchira abaraba kwenekinga babeire bakwirenda naboigo kolenda ebinto bitonchokanaine.
And our commitment, the road ahead will be fraught with obstacles, but we as media practitioners have a sacred duty to confront these challenges head on, armed with the truth and a resolute determination to protect our environment. As media owners and as media practitioners, we must amplify voices of those on the front line of this crisis. Let us give platform to indigenous communities, environmental activists, and scientists who have dedicated their lives to preserving our natural world, on the policies and practices that contribute to environmental degradation. Moreover, we must educate and empower our audiences. Let's equip them with knowledge and tools to make informed decisions and for them to embrace sustainable lifestyle. Through our storytelling, we can inspire individuals and communities to take collective action. We must be willing to take a stand, ask tough questions, and tell stories that need to be told. We need journalists who are committed to accuracy, to fairness.
Ntumulilia Ondizi TV orobotio rorengete abaliki bamwana mayaba ndado komanya ase oboime igora entertainment chinsemo no togochuikira omwelio bamwana maya chinsa isano na ibere chabon mugaso letera nenkoro kwa job ma angi no tobe tokobotana nere linde kwene kichibiche chiboigo na maliogi abere ogoikira asenchera yoboikiranu niga koro kwa sala mumanyi oyone kinga konyorole chibichechi oboigo igo namalio gwetera asenchera yomuno imenyererio Lydia Muse kolendo mwanchu muri Ndizi TV una enchera eyemo yogochengera 9 litukeli liobosibole bwechinyomba chiboralia nigoto gosaba wakere Ndizi TV buna station yao wanchete aso gotuma SMS ase erieta kuza tumerieta kuza ase namba ya 15601 enoti isano isanemo enoti eyemo elinde biko wakera Ndizi TV buna TV elia wanchete wikera tinga kichinde na abagane iliyo burigeria obuya imya Ndizi TV na bwo obwanso bomugusi.